everyone, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching today. So I'm going to show you how to make these pop-up cards using my Simple Pop-Ups die set and my latest Christmas stamps and dies. So I've kept the fronts of them quite plain at the moment. I'm just going to finish them with a simple sentiment or a little topper because these cards are to be displayed open. So I didn't want to spend too much time decorating the front, but I've used my festive papers there. This is the one that I'm going to show you how to make today. When you open it, you'll see you've got that lovely scene there with all the trees. You've got Rudolph and the little elf. I've used my lights there, and then you've got the sentiment, have a tremendous Christmas, and then that one says do not open until the 25th. These ones you just write your message on the back here, and it's using that die that creates this kind of stepper effect. And then this one here is a similar scene again, using the other dies from the Simple Pop-Ups to create this kind of stepper. This one I made during a Facebook Live, and I will link that below the video if you want to see how to make that one. But I've got all of these already on the channel as well, but I just wanted to show you these fun Christmas cards that I've made using the Simple Pop-Ups. Everything that I've used, as always, is linked in the description box below, and these are new bundles, so you can check those out as well, and all the links to the supplies are also below this video. So this is the Simple Pop-Ups die set. You can make so many different pop-ups with this set. It's lovely. So today I'm going to use the big one here. In fact, I'll take that plate out now and I can show you through it, and I will link up here the other tutorials using this set because there's like all kinds of different bits and bobs to it there. So I'm going to be using this die here along with a selection. I'm going to use the Santa and the sign and all the presents from this set. Then I'm using the elf, Rudolph and the other presents here, and then lots of this tree and one of this tree here, and I might add in the lights as well along the top. And then I'm going to choose my sentiment, and then the papers, I've chosen the trees there, and that's just going on the front of the card. So I've already gone ahead and cut these pieces here. So this is a 6x6 card blank. And then this is a piece of 11¼ by 5 3/4. And that is going to fit. If you lay it down inside your card there, you'll get a nice border. You want to score this piece through the middle. In fact, both of them. So that makes your card blank. You can see, just fold that in half. So you've got your fold. With this die here, you've got little notches on the sides. So you want to line those up with the score line, and then run that through, and that will go through a standard die machine. When you pass it through, you will have this cut. And what I always like to do is just grab your scoreboard and just go over all of the score lines. If I just show you on the plate here, you can see all of the score lines. I just go back over them all there. Next, we want to do some folding. So I like to just almost like just start to pinch them into place. So both of the outer ones here and here are going to be mounting are going to be valley folds. Okay. So just push those down like so. As you do that, this one here starts to become a mountain fold. So right now I'm just carefully starting to lift them to the shape that they're going to end up being. Okay. So we've got kind of, you can see there, valley, mountain, valley, mountain. Then you're going to have another valley fold just here. And again on this one here, like so. And already you can slowly start to see, once you get the valley folds in here and these mountain folds and then these valleys, you can start, I'm just kind of pushing my fingers. Can you see it all starts to, pop that one back out, fold into place, and just keep bringing it up and you'll end up with this shape. Just fold it all across and down like so. And then just give those all a good burnish. Okay, and then you'll have this really cool fold that you can now build up any scene you like. So I'm going to stick this inside my card blank here. I like to stick it in this position and let the glue dry, because that's how it will then, you know, stand nicely, and then it would all close down. So I'm going to get that stuck in next. Okay, so that's all stuck in place, and I've also just stamped the lights there, which are colour, and the sentiment I've gone for is have a tremendous Christmas from that sentiment set. So now I'm going to start positioning all of these that I've coloured, and what I want to do is cover it in trees so you pretty much won't see any of that. Now every time you stick something down, make sure that when the card closes you can't see anything. So the trees there will have to go in probably right there so they don't stick out the sides. I'm going to pop this on high speed so you can watch me get it all stuck down, and then I'll show you it all finished. Okay, so I've changed my mind a little bit. So that is what I've ended up going for. I think it looks really nice. Father Christmas was just a little bit too big. I could cut his, I was thinking about cutting his legs off and then having the presents all built up around him. But I think that looks really sweet. And I've used the little sign at the front there. I've just snipped that down a bit and then added the presents there. Coloured the lights in, and then I've stuck the paper on the front. But I am just going to finish off with some of my accent glaze. So I'm going to add this onto all of the lights because that will add a little bit of shine when it catches the light. And I'm also going to add it onto his nose, Rudolph's red nose, the sign. Let's do the rosy cheeks there. And I like to cover all of the middle part of the sign. As we always say, it goes on cloudy, but it will dry completely clear. And it will just add a nice glaze over the top there. I'll just hold that up. You should see that catching the light there. And then I'll add a little bit on the star there as well. And then when it's dry, so I'll keep it that way now, I will add some to the presents there as well. So I'm just going to stop there for now until everything's dry, and then I can just add those final touches. But I hope you've enjoyed this Christmas pop-up card from me today. I think it looks really good. I love all of those trees together, and then the one dress tree behind them there. I think it looks really, really cute. As always, I will link all of the product that I've used in the description box below. Like I said, there are new bundles with a lot of this product, so check out the offers and deals. And as always, if you've enjoyed today and you're not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. See you all again soon. Bye.